ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
Today it's Peter Beales Roses. Founded in 1968, Peter Beales Roses has grown to become a world-renowned collection of the finest garden roses. The company has achieved 29 gold medals at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show, alongside numerous medals across the board from RHS Hampton Court Flower Show to Sandringham Flower Show. In 2024, Peter Beales Roses developed a new variety of rose in a special orange colour to mark the anniversary of the RNLI, Royal National Lifeboat Institution, 200th with Courage. Aside from roses, Peter Beales is a renowned garden centre and gift shop, with an award-winning Rosarium restaurant in Attleborough, Norfolk. Courses and workshops are held throughout the year, from planting and pruning your roses to children's-themed garden trails through the rose gardens. Order roses, gift vouchers, and book courses online at peterbealesroses.com. Navigating excellence, delivering tomorrow.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those presents.